Welcome to my channel. Like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you'll be the first one to see this video. Today we're going live on stream. And Eli is right here. He's not very happy, so he's not gonna be in the video. And yeah, this is our first time going live and stream. So you will be watching this right now. Yeah. Yeah, and we have this slime. It's humongous. Do you guys see this? And it says it smells good, so let's see about that. Okay, and it's slime, and let's see this. We're going to be rating it. Okay, whoa, guys. And that's real sticky. And it feels like jelly, and these are like the little jelly thingies. What is this? It's like foam.
Where it is foam.
Yeah, it's foam. Look. It's kind of satisfying because look at the noise. Someone's calling. So yeah, someone was calling. Look at how sticky this is. Well, it's not that sticky, look. Okay, so, I don't know. It's satisfying because look at this noise. Do you hear that? It's a bit sticky. Yeah. Oh yeah, and if you didn't know, Eli's getting a new channel. And yeah, but it's not online yet. And it's soon going to be live. Well, not like live streaming like me. Well, maybe. And yeah, yeah. I'm just in a rush. But this is pretty cool.
Tell them to go and eat that.
And yeah, we'll put, well, it's not live yet. It's not, you can't search it yet, but soon you'll be able to. Okay, this time I rate it 8 out of 10 because I don't like how it's super sticky and it's gonna take you forever to get off of you. Like, look at this. But it's cool that you can, like, how satisfying the noise is. And, like, look. And it's pretty big. Oh, yeah, if you're wondering if you want this too, just go to your 99-cent store, and it might be there. It's because when I went, they were running out. They only had 3 left. I took one, so if you live in Anaheim nearby us, you should take one of those.
In California.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at this, how satisfying that noise is. Oh, yeah, and Jati is filming. Whoa. And if you didn't, sorry for not, like, making that much videos. It's because if you didn't know, and if you watch our shorts, we have a video of Eli doing soccer. So we've been busy about Eli's soccer stuff. And so we're going to be making more videos about Eli's soccer. And yeah, look, you know what this reminds me of? A snake, because look. It's like drippy.
No, it's a water.
Like drip. Eli, come on, get into the video. Hop in. But he's not happy. Now let's smell this. It smells like rotten strawberries. No, it smells, wait, my smell? Smells like strawberries and lemon. Like, what's it called? Lemonade, strawberry lemonade. Yes, that's what it smells like. So if you like strawberry lemonade, you know what this reminds me of? Like, you know those jellies that are shaped as a and they have these little foam things, but you can eat them. Oh, and one thing: do not eat a swan. No eating.
Or the phone.
And see, it came with this box. It's pretty cool. It's sweetsatios. So if you want one of these, just look at this. Or you can go at your nearby 99 and maybe they'll have one left or more for you to get. Now look at this. Now look at what I'm gonna do. This is gonna be super satisfying what I'm gonna do. Look. Oh my gosh, you got my charger. Okay, no, I did. And it's not that sticky. Well, it is sticky for your hands, but look what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a little cashew. Oh, we should have rolled the montage. Yeah, and did I mention that we're going live? The slipping. Help me! I'm doing a split. Oh my gosh, the slime is gonna fall on me!
There's some on your.
Oh my gosh! Oh no.
God.
No. I thought, oh my gosh, I was about to get on my clothes. And guys, it's very slippery that made me do the splits. See, you saw that I was like falling. Oh yeah, and I think you should, I recommend this just if you don't like, and if you don't like sticky stuff, then I don't think this is for you. Oh yeah, and like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you'll be the first one to see this video. And also because it's live stream.